possible bottle is an award-winning prize from an interactive fiction from last year. And it's a very simple story about a daughter and a father. And it begins out simply anyway. So the idea here is to read the text and then choose one of the possible answers. So we can see that Emma, be a doll and clean up your toys. Clean up your toys. The tailors are coming tonight. The house is a complete mess. Dad digs around. So Emma is the daughter, and Dad is the father, and he's cooking. And so then you have to decide what you're going to say back to your father. You are the little girl. And you say, it's already done. Everything is pick and span. And Dad looks at the right fire truck in the middle of the kitchen floor. Almost, you admit. And you want to complain and say, oh, cleaning up is so boring. It doesn't have to be. It can be an adventure. And so please go and say, oh, all right, I'll do it. I'll clean it up. Okay, and here we go. And you can click on any of these links to find out more information. But if we say, for example, we can look at the fire truck. We're in the kitchen. We can look at the fire truck. It's on the floor. And so we should take it. Please notice down here at the bottom, these are the possible actions that you can do anytime. So we'll take it. And so now it's in our inventory. You can see it's in our inventory. So we can leave the kitchen and go east. And here we are in a different room. We're in the sitting room. We can look at the sofa and the window. But let's go north. And we can see the entrance hall. And maybe go upstairs. And we can go to your room, for example. And you can see, or maybe you can go to Nolan's room. But if you go into your room, you can see what's in your room. A white table, a dollhouse. You can see lots of stuff in the dollhouse. Yes, but go back to the landing or go back to your room. And you can go around and click on many links until you get to one of the endings. Okay, if you get into trouble, you can always go back to the beginning of the game and start again. But when you finish, you should always save your transcript, and then you can send it to Moodle at Telecorp to see to show the teacher how much you have worked. Please remember, try to do this story for about 1 hour. Thank you.